Hey, it's Annie Lou. How are you? I have my Sephora box. So let's open it up and see what's in it. So I'm here at my craft table working on a project. And let's open this up. It is sealed well. I don't even know where to go to open it. Finally, I got the box open. I haven't gotten this box in a long time. I remember getting it because I saw someone just love a product that was in the box, and I actually thought I would get the box, and that would have been the July box. I just wasn't thinking. So, oh look, it comes in a cute little bag. Back to beauty school, it says. So let's take a peek. It really is a cute bag. All right, let's pull out the first thing, some hair care. O-U-A-I, O-U-I, a U-A. I don't really know, but it is a shampoo and conditioner. And so we'll have to try that. The next thing I'm pulling out is a Glow 2 highlighter by, you know, it's C-I-A-T-E from London. And it is just, let's see if it's magnetized. No, I don't think so. I don't know. So there's the second thing. So far, I don't know. So the box costs $10. So the next thing I'm pulling out is a lipstick, Artist Rouge. I bet you it's this really red color. And I like red, but I don't know. This sort of has an orange undertone to it. Makeup Forever. I do like their mascara. Actually, it's not even the color that is on here. It's a mauve, and I like it. I like it a lot. I wouldn't mind just getting lipsticks in this size containers. You would use them up faster, and they're smaller. It's light. So 1 out of 3, not bad. And the next thing I'm pulling out is Lancome Youth Activating Concentrate. So I do love face serums, and it's by Lancome. And face serums are very important for us who are over, we are now elders. What can I say? Volume Spray Volumator. So, I don't know. Directions: spray damp hair from root to tip before blow drying. Well, I usually go to bed with wet hair. Ooh. Oh, that smells really lovely. That smells really lovely. So what happens is I do put treatments in my hair when it's wet, but I go to bed with wet hair. But in the morning, when I straighten my hair, I can smell the product that I put into it. So, let's see. I like 3 out of 5. And the last thing is a clear brow gel. I don't really use brow gels, but, ooh, that smells nasty. Actually, it smells, you know how sometimes, like you say, well, I say, oh, this smells nasty, but you know what it smells like? It smells like a vinegar salad dressing. Now, if I was going to use it on a vinegar as a salad dressing, I would say, oh, that smells good. So this is an I don't know. So if you think you want to try Sephora, you go to Sephora.com, I guess, and subscribe. And to tell you the truth, I'm not sure if this is a repeating subscription or you have to do it each time, but I'm going to make sure that I go in and cancel my subscription just in case it's an automatic renew. So there you have it, ladies. Thank you for joining me, and I think that's that. So I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.